Okay, I got the snap ring pushed back. Hopefully it stays in place and we can knock this out of here. Well, this is where my 880 sat. I got it out of the dirt and the weeds and moved over here onto the rock. This one I put the hydraulic unit on and tried to plug up most of the holes that go into the transmission so varmints don't get in. But somewhere along the line I locked up the transmission and the wheels won't turn, so I can't get out of the garage until I get it fixed. I might have to put the shift rails and the back in to get it to stay in neutral so that I can move it.